this is a quick tutorial on how to use the Pages app on your iPad or iOS device. So I have started Pages and I am at the select your file or create a new file screen. So what I would like for you to do is at the top of the screen, click the plus to start a new document. Typically, when we start a document, we just start with a blank basic document. But we want to scroll down to a prefabricated file. It's called a template, and we're going down here to newsletters. Please choose one of these 5 newsletters. For this example, I'll choose the school newsletter, but you can choose any of these 5. After it loads, you can see that it has placeholders for pictures, a nice title, a color bar down the side, and so on. There are 2 pages, and like many of Apple's products in templates, they have it in a foreign language. To use this, you would click into it, double tap, and you could replace the text. So it holds you into this format, which may or may not work for you, but it gets you started with some pretty cool pieces of a newsletter. But we need to modify it for your use. So a couple things to do. Click up here and tap on that side menu, and it gives you the ability to turn on page thumbnails. So tap on that, turns it on. If you tap out of this view options, now you can see on the side that we have 2 pages that are in this format. So you go typing away and then you realize, hey, I need a 3rd page. I need to do more. Now typically in Apple's apps, you can just tap on one of these and it will give you a menu that says add a page, but that does not appear. I'll call it a glitch. They take away your ability to easily add another page without doing the steps that I'm going to outline for you. So here they are. To click on the 3-dot expansion menu, there is a document setup button right here. And you are going to turn off the document body. But before you do that, a word of caution. If you have already typed in text inside of some of these boxes here, for example, if this is your text, copy it and paste it somewhere else because it will make the text go away and keep the shape of the newsletter. So I'm assuming that you have just started and you don't care about any of this text, but if you do, copy it and paste it into another Pages document, someplace where you keep notes, because then you can copy and paste it back into your document. So now I'm going to hit document body and it will say convert to page layout, and it will remove the document body, including the body text and inline objects. So understand that before you proceed. You can undo it if you need to, but I'm going to hit convert, and like it said, it took the text away. So if you look over here, you now have a plus key down at the bottom and you can start a new page, but you could also tap on that and now you have the ability to duplicate this page. So I'll hit duplicate and it duplicated that page. So I'll tap on that and duplicate that. So now you're able to rearrange, press and hold and rearrange this in any order you want, or hit the plus key down here at the bottom and just add a blank page. But now you are in full mode here where you can create your own elements. So I'll tap into page number 2 and show you what I mean. Now, if you want to add elements, you click on the plus key up here at the top. And notice that it has a picture edition, shapes, tables, and charts, we want to hit on the shapes. Doing pictures is what we're at, and so you could drill down into your camera roll and select pictures for your project, but I'm going to click on the shapes. Then there are basic shapes, geometry, objects. So keep in mind that you could use any of these if you'd like. So you can add different elements and symbols. You can write text in these as well. So I'm going to show you that with like basic shapes. If I want to have a text, I'll just tap on that and drag it over into the main area. Now you can resize it, position it where you'd like. Now you have full creative ability here in this newsletter. If I want to add a cool shape, maybe I'll just drag this voice bubble. So any of these shapes over here can be modified with the paintbrush menu. So if you'd like to change the color, you can easily do that. Add some other features. So check it out. Spend some time with the menu. So I want to give you a quick view on how you add different elements.